money is important. You started on a positive note that money is important. Again, you said about the negative effects of money, right? You said that if we
No, there's a common thing behind every dream. Money.
that's true.
Money can buy food, but not a hunger satisfaction.
Yes, that's right.
If we don't have money, even our basic needs
Mm-hmm.
become difficult to fulfill. If we don't have money, we're
Mm-hmm.
not able to survive.
Correct. Correct. That's right.
Money is important, but how we use them is much more important. We should always save money rather than spending unnecessary expenditure. To see you.
Oh,
Okay.
that's so sweet. My day has also become good after seeing you. So, what did you do today?
I didn't do anything really special.
Okay. Hey, Sadiksha. By the way, I really like your hairband. Who gifted that to you?
My mom divided.
Oh, it's looking so beautiful. So, you're matching it with your dress color?
This is white color and this is white color. This is white and green. This is white.
Oh, this is white and green, and this is only white. But still, it is matching because little bit white is there.
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
Sadiksha? Wow. Yes, yes, I can definitely say it looks very good. Right. So, what do you want to talk about this now topic? Like, do you want to have a debate about this, Sadiksha, or do you want to discuss more about this topic today? You pick. What would you like to do?
Let's pick a money topic.
So, any suggestions?
Money. Why
Money.
money is important?
Why money is important? Okay, we can talk about first. We can start like this. Is money important for you? Then we can talk about why it is important for you and what can we do with money. Okay,
It's
should
just a
we?
topic. It's just a topic. It's not about me or anybody else.
Yes.
It's just a
Yes.
topic.
Just a topic. Okay, we can just discuss generally about it. Right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so first question I have for you. Once you told me about pocket money, right? You collect pocket money
Yeah,
and then later on you use it for something good. So what do you use with your pocket money? What do you buy from it?
I can buy. I can buy. I have a dream. So first, I really want to take care of my parents.
Okay, all right.
Only this dream can come in my mind right now.
Oh, that's awesome. That's really great. And anything that you want to buy for yourself, Sidiksha, like chocolates or gift or attire?
And Christmas is around the corner. Did I
Okay.
tell you what I wish for?
Yeah, you did tell me what do you want. You told me that it is going to be a secret. Only I know and your mother know about it. You're not going to tell anyone else, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. I know that. I know that. Another question. If, for example, it is your birthday party, Sidiksha, and your friends, you are having one good friend, and your best friend bought some gifts for you. And they bought two kinds of gifts for you. You have to select any one. One gift consists of money, like $20, okay? And the another
Okay.
one, yeah, and the other one is a plushie or a soft toy. So what would you select and why? You can select only one. Okay.
Flashy.
Okay, why not money?
I don't like money.
Oh,
I'm too small to get money.
that's right.
Okay. Let's go through the topic now.
Okay, sure, sure. Great. So do you think money
Can
is
I tell by
important?
myself? Can I
Yes,
tell by myself?
absolutely. You can speak.
Money is everybody have a dream.
Hmm.
Some want a beautiful home. Some want to travel whole world. Some
Mm-hmm.
just want to take care of their parents
Okay. Mm-hmm.
or or give them better life.
Or give them a better life. Okay.
Right. Money is the most important thing in our life.
Absolutely.
Without behind every dream is a common thing. You know that?
Yes, I know that. There is a signal actually, a symbol. It symbolizes something when you are dreaming,
No.
right?
No. There is a common thing behind every dream. Money.
Ah,
Money. Money is
yeah.
the most. When we have money,
We
should
can do.
have education.
Yes, that's right.
We need clothes
We can buy clothes,
and,
okay?
and we need shelter.
Okay.
Yeah. Then if even we need food,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
toys,
choice, okay?
We need these things. These are so important for our life.
Absolutely. These things are very, very important. I agree with you.
If we don't have money, we're
Mm-hmm.
not able to survive.
Correct. Correct. That's right.
You know, if we don't have money, even our basic needs
Mm-hmm.
become difficult to fulfill.
Absolutely correct. That's right.
Why we should save money? We should always save money rather than spending unnecessary expenditure.
Yes, we should save money. It's very crucial. Yeah, right. Yes.
That's why I'm saving my $2.
Is that so? Okay. So
Yeah,
you will be using it when you need it, right?
yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
One
Anything
so
more?
important thing:
Hmm.
money can't buy happiness.
Yes.
That's true. Money can't buy happiness, but it
Hmm.
can give comfort and peace of mind.
Correct.
Security. It can give us securities. You know, money is important, but how we use them is much more important.
Exactly
What is
how
your
we use it.
what is your opinion?
Yes, yes, I totally agree with you, Sudiksha, because I also feel that money is very important. And we can never say that money cannot buy happiness because it does. Okay, all the time we cannot say that money brings happiness, but those people who are saying that no, money cannot buy happiness, why it cannot? Just take an example. When you are hungry or when you want to eat something tasty, you can buy that with money, right? And immediately you will have a smile on your face.
Buy a bed, but not a sleep.
Exactly, that's true. That's true.
Money can buy food, but not a hunger satisfaction.
Yes, that's right.
Uh,
That's correct.
Do you know? Money can change a person's behavior?
Yeah, I know that. Yes, I agree. That's correct. It can change the personality and the way a person behaves. That's right,
Like,
Sudhir.
like, like if like a person is good and it becomes so like rich and it becomes so jealous and these things kind of things. Then if we be bad, when we get good to bad, it can't change again.
Yeah,
Bad to
that's
good.
true.
Yeah.
Bad to good. Now it is correct. Yes, bad to good. That's right. Yes, one thing you say that I liked very much, Sadiksha, you said that money can satisfy our hunger, but at the same time, it cannot bring satisfaction in real amount. Like, for example, you are very hungry and you have money, you can buy. Hmm.
Mm, yeah, and you can buy. If you eat it, you will get more hunger. Then you will again eat it. You can eat a horse, like hundred piece of horse, but you will still be hungry.
Exactly, that's true. That's true. Your hunger will increase more and more every
More
passing
and
day.
more.
Right. Well said, Sudiksha. Anything more you want to add, Beta?
No,
Okay. Okay. So you
now
said,
you are.
okay, now I will be asking, before that, I will be telling you that what is my feedback about what you said right now. Okay.
Yeah.
So you said correctly, actually, Sudiksha. You said two things mostly. You highlighted two things. Firstly, that money is important. You started on a positive note, that money is important. Again, you said about the negative effects of money. Right? You said that if we are okay, we can buy food, but it can never satisfy our hunger, our ego also. Because every time we are like, I want this, I want this, I want this. Right? Every time we will be wanting something or the other. It is also because of money. So you can say, Sudiksha, that everything has a pros and a cons. Okay?
Okay.
Pros and cons, which means positive and negative side. Okay? Yes. So I can write it for you here in the chat box. PROS,
Okay.
pros, and CONS, cons. Which means everything has a positive side as well as negative side, or
Yeah.
advantages and
Yeah.
disadvantages. Okay?
Uh,
Yes, this is what you can say. Okay, one question I would like to ask you about money, Sudiksha, that what do you think? Should we use money wisely rather than spending money? Should we use money wisely and save it
we
or during
should
some
always
events?
we should always save money rather than spending unnecessaries.
Yes, we
Like
should not
like
do.
on toy,
Hmm.
like on colors, like on anything, like toys. What is no need?
Yeah, we should not use money unnecessarily or not spend money unnecessarily. Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay. Great, great,
Not
great.
on coloring, not on toys, not on anything like we don't need.
Exactly, exactly, right. Correct, correct, Sadiksha. Very good, very good. One last word I will teach you. Rather than saying we should not spend money, okay, unnecessarily, you can
Mm,
also use one more word. We should not spend money without any reason. You can also say that.
okay. We should
Without any,
not spend money without any we don't need things.
yes, when we don't need things. Okay,
Yeah.
just
I have a bigger toy. When I was a kid, I love to play with that. But it's still here. But I can still see it.
oh, is it? Who gifted that to you, by the way?
Actually, we all buy it. When I
Hmm.
was a kid,
Mm-hmm. Oh,
like 0 year old.
okay, okay, that's awesome. You still have the toy with you?
Yeah.
Okay, great, great. Good to hear. So, Sadiksha, I will be giving you today's feedback, but I have one homework for you for the next session. You have to do that homework, okay? The homework is that
Okay.
you have to speak a few lines about a thing without which you will never travel. Anything, only
Okay.
one thing, without which you can never travel to any place. You always need that thing, okay? So,
I
I will
can,
ask
I can, I cannot travel in
because,
India.
uh,
Shimla. I cannot travel. I cannot travel Shimla.
okay. And you also have to tell me about a thing which you carry every time you travel, okay?
My handbag. My handbag.
Your handbag. So you have to elaborate it in the next class. It is a homework for you. Okay, Sudiksha? And now I will give the feedback to our sweet girl, Sudiksha. It was wonderful talking to you. You have become more and more smarter. Yeah, you have become more and more smarter. And I will see you in the next session very soon. And we will discuss about new things. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
See you in the
Bye-bye.
next
Sure.
class. See you in the next class.
See you in the next class. Bye-bye.
Bye.